Man, that bidet sure does come in handy. Oh, hello. Sorry about that. Welcome to my my house on wheels. Just kidding. I actually live with my mom. But we've noticed that a lot of people are selling their houses and doing the full-time RV lifestyle. So if that sounds like you, take a look at this beautiful 2026 Tiffin Phaeton 40IH floor plan. This is the #1 selling floor plan that Tiffin manufactures from any of their model lines. This being a diesel product, of course, does have high line craftsmanship, all hardwood throughout the coach. Beautiful touches of craftsmanship everywhere, even just the details that they put into the slide fascias. A televator system that drops up and down, looks to be about 50 inches or so, I would say, give or take. This also will be a full hide-a-bed that is a air mattress as well. So if you did have anybody that would need a place to sleep, that's a great option as well. Straight on across from your residential leatherette recliners with a headrest and foot adjustment. And of course, any Tiffin would not be complete without the signature of Bob Tiffin himself. Happy trails to the new owners. Moving on, this coach does also come equipped with a dishwasher on board, as well as an induction cooktop. This is a truly full electric coach with the Aqua Hot 450D system. That will provide you with hot water and furnace power so that you don't have to worry about filling up any propane tanks. Moving on, one thing you'll notice is the porcelain hand-laid tile floors with electric heating. So if you are like me and don't like having cold towel on your feet in the mornings from the floor, then that sure does come in handy whenever you get out of bed. It's super luxurious. The one-touch multiplex spider system here, Tiffin has the most efficient wiring system in the RV industry when it comes to convenience and usership. This controls all of your settings on the coach, and there's multiple other touch screens all throughout the front and rear end of the coach that can tie into the system and help it be more convenient to you. You can control everything from your AC as soon as you just walk into the coach. So absolutely convenient and an amazing system. I absolutely just love it. Plus it's a massive touchscreen. I mean, isn't that just cool? And then right behind you here, a residential refrigerator covered under your lifetime warranty, of course. LG appliances, these have been vibration tested by the RV industry. That's why they're one of the most popular brands that they use as the fridge, and also has an ice and water dispenser straight out the fridge. So you don't have to worry about buying any bottles of water or anything like that. If you're like me and you have a hydro flask and you like to refill that. But as you saw earlier when I came out, this is the half bathroom that comes on the coach as well with a sprayer on it. I know you heard me mention that bidet earlier. Moving on to the back half of the coach. King size bed with lights above. Just a beautiful job that they did with those sconce lights there above. And lights above the bed for reading time that you can turn off with just the push of a button. Of course, great storage above, straight on viewing to your television from bed. So if you guys are coming out of a house, this is gonna feel full-time luxury, just like you would have in any $500,000 home. And a ceiling fan right above to help with air circulation. Moving on to the back half of the coach, your washer and dryer in the main bathroom here. Double vanity, tons of space for the couple to have his and her style sinks as well in the bathroom, and then your one-touch control panel here that I mentioned earlier. That's just one of many throughout the coach. Nice size storage in here, soft close cabinetry all throughout as well, and then a massive shower for anyone. I'm 6'6", and I can fit in this shower no problem. I mean, I have headspace even without the skylight being open, but even with that, now I have no problem taking a shower. This coach also has a flush floor in the rear as well. Tiffin has Highline engineers that have manufactured a chassis where they can fit a big engine in the back here. This has 450 horsepower and still give you a flush floor that you don't have to trip on. It's their signature Power Glide chassis manufactured by Freightliner. But if you have any more questions about this coach, we'll be happy to answer it for you. Come on down and see it yourself at DeMontrond RV Gallery, 19333 North Freeway, Spring, Texas 77388. My name's Collin. Ask for me, and I'll give you guys a personalized walkthrough. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a fantastic day.